Good evening, everyone. Welcome back to my channel. I am Brian. Thanks for tuning in for a new video. Today I am going to do a paint grenade, and it's going to have some blue themes to it. So I'm very excited. I really love this paint pour technique. I got it obviously from Jeremy Massey and Lee from Massey Art Studios. I enjoy them. They're a lot of fun. So it's really exciting to see what kind of result you get from this technique, because you just don't know what's going to happen. So I'm very excited about this technique, and I can't wait to show you this piece. So I'll get you down on that canvas and we'll talk about that canvas size and the colors. I will be right back. Okay, everyone, so what we've got here today is an 18 by 24 canvas. It is gallery wrapped, it is taped on the back, and it's got push pins. Nice and level-ish. It's I don't know, I think I got kind of a warped canvas, so I put the push pins and I pulled them out to make them nice and level, but we do have maybe just a little skosh of unevenness, so hopefully it's not going to shift. Let's put some gloves on. So an 18 by 24 canvas, we are going to multiply 18 times 24, divide that by 28, and you're going to get approximately 15.0 or 15.4 some ounces. So we're going to say 16 ounces. I have a 16-ounce cup, so I'm going to fill that to the brim. I'm doing a grenade pour today, and so let's look at these colors. Got ambitious colors. I don't know how well these are going to play together. We're going to see. So I'm using a new paint that I haven't used before, but I've seen Canela Sirocco use it, and it's a gorgeous color. It's blue black indigo from Artlier. And I know, I'm sure I'm saying that wrong, my country accent. But in any case, this is a gorgeous color. It almost reminds me of Payne's Gray that I get from Creative Inspirations. By the way, all of my paints are mixed with Mix Pour by Krista Rasmussen. You can order that at Krista8974@gmail.com. You can order that straight from her. All these paints are about 5 ounces of mix pour and about 1 ounce of paint. Makes a mound on top of a mound. Next color I am going to be using is Amsterdam's Turquoise Green. I'm using Arteza's Pearl Rose Quartz. Nice, beautiful pink color. Of course, I'm going to be using DecoArt's Metallics 24 karat gold, favorite color. And I'm going to be using Arteza's Phthalo Blue. And I'm going to be using Artist Loft's Flow Acrylic White along with DecoArt's Satin Enamel White. Again, it's about 5 ounces of mix pour, about 1 ounce of the Artist Loft White, and then I took about 2.5, let's just say 3 teaspoons of the satin enamels. And then I'm going to use my flow extender is going to be my Artist Loft Flow Acrylic White, and that has just got Floetrol in it. All right, let's go ahead and start layering up our colors. Let's move this to the side. Got my push pin in my cup. Let's start. I think what I'm gonna do first is I'm gonna put a little gold in the bottom. And then I'm gonna start out with the blue black. Beautiful color. And then we're going to go over here to the teal green. Phthalo blue. white. Blue, black. Pink. Rose quartz. Let's go with some more gold. Let's come in with the blue. I'm not going to keep these in any particular order, but I am going to try to do like light, dark, light, dark. Teal green. Pink. Keep calling it pink, rose quartz, whatever. White. Gold. Get into this cup. It's going to make a huge mess once I splash down with the flip. Just spread it out here since it's so thick. We'll put that there for now. All right, this is going to make a huge mess. 1, 2, 3. Not as much as a mess as I thought. All right, I've waited about 3 minutes, so I'm not going to wait much longer because it's a grenade. I'm going to pull the pin, and then the paint is going to start to ooze on out. And then I think I'm going to lip it. I know Mina and Jeremy and Lee, they tend to do a little lip action on their cups, so maybe I'll try that. We'll see. Pop the pin. Wow, look at these colors. Okay, see a lot of air bubbles, so I'm going to pop those real quick. Alright, so now I'm going to get my flow extender out because I want this to flow well. thing about this. I'm gonna look at my color, my corners here. This is gorgeous. All right, so let me take my gloves off. Don't want to drip into paint. A lot of cells happening here. Loving it. Let me torch this off. Clean up the edges. All right, what I'm gonna do is I'll take you down. I'll let you see. I'll be right back. So yeah, I think what I'm going to do is I am going to call this a planetary explosion. All right guys, I'll show you what this looks like dry. I'll be right back. All right everyone, here's the dried results. I wanted to take it outside and show you, but it's raining here, so I couldn't do that. So I'll let you see it here on the inside. It's gorgeous. It dried wonderful. I'll bring you in for a close-up here. Sorry for the shadow because I'm inside. I just can't help that. But these colors just did great together. It's like planetary explosion is what I'm calling this one. Look at the cells here, how they got the gold. Man, my big head in this shadow. Sorry, guys. Anyways, it just dried amazing. I am so happy with this. All right, this piece is available for purchase. If you're interested, email me directly at briansuppervalleyartistry@gmail.com. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. That'll let you know when I do post new video content. All right, everyone, I'll see you in the next video. Have a great day now. Bye-bye.